Yeah, 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 yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. From these grateful back roads to these past stadiums, what a fucking life I lived, dog. Since like 81, I probably been here going in spheres and I didn't even know what about the total, what it means to be a black petunia. Had the raps there in Luna, you know I rule planets, goddammit. I shoot that from my palm, I make it all hand up. If I wanna say it, then you gotta repeat it. There's no fucking choice for that. You see that dead and fetus in the jaw, similar to scimitars that I swing, I'm getting hard. Niggas getting charged on these raps and I'm living in prison bars. I spit them out, you already know how I lit it. Yeah, I done did it now, that's been so pitiful. I've been cynical, making interludes, doing raps similar to interviews. I've been in the screw, turning in the back of your skull, rapping and tapping your soul, then you're back in the goals. And I'm reaching, I'm back and I'm preaching over the stove. Niggas is lacking the decency. I had to do frequencies, cause that's just part of my delinquency. My EMF field keeps on fading as I sip and I smoke, giving dick to the hoes. And I flip through the flows, got some splits in my clothes, got some shit in my flows that might flip the world over. Might get me back, I might make a planet that's sober. Solar system, you know the wisdom, no listen them. This nigga cannot be stopped, yeah, you know the system. I've been in prison for how long, I got evicted. Been descriptions of a nigga that doesn't have a face, but he has a space somewhere beyond the planet. Abysmal chaos camp, glass and you understand it. Damn it, I'm pulling out, I keep on jamming when I try to blow the fucking temple off. And now I know it's meant to set him off. Somewhere he shouldn't have been to begin with, but I've been an infant, been indifferent to the life I'm living. Flipping through the scriptures, pick and slip those and wrists. That's sick, niggas get so info for this, that's it. Now I'm like Winslow with twisted rap skits. Niggas wanna know if I'm done, I'm back kids. Yeah, you thought I stopped, but I'm back to stack after raps. I'm like the artifact that niggas been on harder rap for how long? A juggernaut flattening you motherfuckers. I rap with clusters, don't rap for busters. You had some others, I had to give it to you. It's like my favorite tribute. My favorite issue was making you issue blood, your tissues. A sacrificial rapping, scatting pistols, that's the crystals I wanted to put up on my desk, and now I'm back to hit you. And that's abyssal, that's sacrificial, that's true altars. Niggas that never fought to haunt you as I put some upon the altar of my mother, father, brother, sister. Fuck them, this the one that I wanna see right now. I'm like another Mithra, another twister. I form as I've been born from the church under the corn with the eye in the storm. I put my fist through it, pull another spiral out. I'm looking at you niggas and I see it, it's the doubt in your mouth for madness. I'm the nigga that wrote your life. How you really feel knowing that you got culture strife? All at their hands and me, a man that's like a manic fiend. You can't really stop it, niggas don't understand the dream. So I'ma be a black Petunian fade and talk about raps, niggas ain't do something today. I did something yesterday, but that was just as worthless. A nigga that's searching for purpose, scratching the surface of his potential. Why you think I called it something there? Alone is lust, now it's real on and everything. You niggas know what's up. I've been doing this for how long? Giving you solar uppercuts, giving you slits across the wrist just to know the time. Oh god, man, I'm about to fucking fade soon. Swear it ain't nothing better than a gray moon that seems half, but it's really there, assimilating the soul of all my silly parents. Now they're back again with new children, new lovers. Goddamn, I made a few covers. A Marvin Gaye Chardonnay, I sip it, mix it with an instrument, something that's been so sick and it's sicker than what you think can come. You better know it soon. Black Petunia, just laid as my open wounds. Here I am with a garbage bag full of clothes, looking for my next home, looking for my best dome. Yeah, that dome was mystic, got the chrome was twisted. Always been a misfit, always remained distant. Could've fucked a lot of hoes back in my high school days, but I chose to keep it reserved. I knew greatness was right around the corner. All it took was the death of a father, now I'm a foreigner. I was born for another night, coming back to life, snatching my MXL 5000 microphone from my epiphysis cerebri that I punctured with the motherfucking blunderbuss. I wanna be the one to wonder, cause is life really worth that much? Living, nigga, or should you just die off? Looking at my loft, how I did it all, it was bigger for me. I gotta trigger something, I got something on my mind that I wanna let off soon. I'm about to open up those salty rooms and spill altars for all of my faultless fathers that should have been here for me when I was in my adolescent years. Now I'm back to present spheres, about to enter them into a black wormhole. The world is a cesspool, it's a fucking urinal. Getting shitted on, spit it on, kicked on. I'ma be free today, see through y'all niggas like chiffon. Now get on, tryna live on, just tryna live on.